it's me, Brianna, and I'm here with my friend, Michelle. So today we're gonna do, we have to scoop things or just eat it. So let me get some 2 spoons.
Daisy.
So I got 2 spoons, one for her and one for me.
Wait, are we gonna be scooping stuff up?
Yeah, we have to eat a scoop of it.
Oh.
So, okay, let me do one. A Pop-Tart! And it has stuff on it. Okay, so we eat some Pop-Tarts.
Stuff on it.
Ooh, oh man, I don't like these. And it has a little thing on it. Let me eat it. It's sugar cookies. Oh man, it's delicious. It's okay. Can't look in that gut. Put your hand in there. She got syrup.
That's the first thing that I'm like, right here, I'm like, what? What is that?
Take your spoon and I'll pour some. So you gotta take a spoonful of syrup. Gulp it. Go.
Like, if I do this.
Subscribe and like. She did it. You have to like it. You have to like the video right now.
We will give you 10 seconds to do it.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you did that, comment down below that you did and subscribe to, yeah.
So I'm gonna pick another one.
Nutella. Lucky. I don't like chocolate, guys.
It's okay, this one's good.
Oh,
Well, this one's mine.
it smells good, but I gotta take a. So I got a spoonful.
It looks like poo.
Guys, if you don't know me, I hate chocolate. Sometimes I do like it, but I can't have a lot. I'm not like an allergic, but I just don't like it. Okay, guys. 3, 2, 1, go.
Come on, you can do it, you can do it.
Well,
She didn't do it.
guys, I hate chocolate.
Want me to show?
Yeah.
If you saw it, or if you didn't see it, comment down below, and we'll probably do another one.
Okay. Where did the cat go? Okay. Pick another thing out of that bag. Oh.
Oh, crunchy. Vanilla bar. Okay.
Oh yeah, guys, look at this. It's a ninja star. One of my friends made it for me. So, go and eat it.
So, I have this granola bar right here. Alright, so I'm gonna eat it.
I have these and they're so good. They're
Alright.
so good.
Look like this.
A little crunchy, but they're super
Alright.
good.
Oh god. Okay.
Guys, I love
Oh.
you guys. You really support me and I really love you. We love you.